Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can add another page or second page on your Canva design on your mobile phone. So if you want to design anything in Canva on your mobile phone and you want to add another page for your design, then you can do it. So for that, just open your Canva app on your mobile phone and just open any design that you want. Let's say I will open this design. When you open this, now this is the thumbnail and I need only one page. But if I need another page on this for this same design, now how will you add another page? Just slide your page from right to left. Let's see, this is the way. When I slide from right to left, another page has been added. Now you can add anything in this page. This is your page and you can add anything. Now you can see, now I have two pages on for this design. Now when I will click on download, here you will see an option called simply down click on download, and now here you can see all pages. Now there are two pages. Now if you don't want to download single page or both pages, then you can select both pages and just simply click on download, and your design will be download with two pages. So this is the way how you can add another page and download both pages for your design on Canva.